Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Now in this lecture we are going to see the sum sec of x plus tan of x is equal to under root of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. Here in the place of theta we can write any alphabet x, y, z. Here we have written x. So now we will start. We have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS, so we will be considering LHS is equal to sec of x plus tan of x, and RHS is equal to under root of 1 plus sine of x divided by 1 minus sine of x. Here we have to start from LHS always. Remember, we have to start from LHS. Now as we are having the value in RHS in the terms of sine, so we are going to convert this sec theta and tan theta in the values of sine and cos. So we are having the formulas that sec x is equal to 1 upon cos of x, and tan of x is equal to sine of x divided by cos of x. So we are substituting these values in the terms in the LHS. So we'll be getting 1 upon cos of x plus sine of x divided by cos of x. Here that will be equal to 1 plus sine of x divided by cos of x. Now here as the denominator is same, we have added these terms. Now we are going to taking square root and squaring inside these brackets. So we'll be getting under root of 1 plus sine of x bracket square divided by cos square x. Simply we have squared in the bracket terms and taken under root of that. If we cancel the square term and under root term, we'll be getting this only. So now further we are going to split this 1 plus sin x and 1 plus sin x, and in the denominator we can write 1 minus sine square x. As we know, the formula of cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x, trigonometric identity number 1. So now we'll be getting, we are going to again split this denominator term. So we'll be getting 1 plus sine x in another bracket 1 plus sine x, and completely divided by 1 minus sine x into 1 plus sine x. This is a plus b and a minus b formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a square, a plus b and a minus b, and this 1 plus sine x and 1 plus sine x is get cancelled. So we'll be getting our final value 1 plus sine of x divided by 1 minus sine of x. This is our final answer, RHS. You will be getting the lectures PDF link in the description down. Thank you. Please share the video link and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.